Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MinGW. First, open your favorite browser and search for MinGW. Open the first link, which should be sourceforge.net. Click on the download button and wait for 5 seconds to start the download. Once the download is completed, click on it. Now click on Install. Click on Continue. Now wait for some time to complete the installation. Once the installation is completed, click on Continue. Now click on Developer Toolkit, Base, G++, and Objective checkboxes. Now click on Installation and click on Apply Changes. Click on Apply. It will take few minutes to complete the installation. When the installation is over, we will go over the setup and walk through to verify it's working properly. Once the installation is completed, click on Close. Now, go to File Explorer and locate the file where you installed. Click on the MinGW file and open it. Now click on Bin. Now click on the top address bar and copy the address. Now click on the search bar and type environmental variables and open it. Now click on environment variables. In the system variables, double-click on the path. Now click on New and paste the copied address and click on OK. Now click on OK. To check whether our installation is successful or not, open Command Prompt. Now type G++-- version. You can see that our installation is successful. This is how we install MinGW. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.